what attracted me into this business? After being so successful, well, I guess I left. Now I'm going to venture into a new business. When I look at this, it's a very niche market. Not everybody can do it. Like you open a warung, goreng pisang, everybody can start. You are successful today, tomorrow, another 2, 3 warung. That kind of business, I don't want to do. It's always niche business that is difficult for people to follow. And then, when I look at this thing, it has endless possibility of grooming it into a very big business. You can go for licensing, merchandising, anything you can dream of. That's the best part. No one really knows the business. So nobody can tell me how to do business. I decide what I want. And I had the opportunity to work with young people. Because animation is a new technology, only young people can do it. If you bring the old people, they don't know how to do it. And I have the opportunity to shape the industry in Malaysia. Because like I said just now, nobody knows about the business. Like in oil and gas, so when I entered it last time, I shaped the industry. So this thing also, when I enter, I want to shape the industry. And there's a lot of government support. So we got a lot of government support, but not in terms of money, about other things.